Hello, my name is Luis Alberto Córdoba. My topic is model birds. At the park, you can play sport. You can walk your dog. You must end litter. You must cut the flower. You should your wear a sneaker. You should break water. Up the sun. You can photos. You can see the elephant. You mustn't fight the animals. You mustn't touch the cages. You should harvest early. You should bake it. Thank you.